So in this video we will learn that how we can manage our pivot table. Suppose we have created one pivot table and now we want to manage it. We want to copy it, we want to paste it another anywhere else, or we want to delete it, we want to twice we want to create a pivot table, so that is also possible. Delete, that also we can do. Clear, that also we can do. We can move to one sheet to another sheet, that is also possible. So basically how we can manage that created pivot table, so in this video we will learn. Okay, so suppose here is one table. Now I will convert that table into a pivot table. Okay, so now I will go to insert, and after that I will create pivot table. So automatically it has taken the range. Okay, so I will choose new worksheet, and here it is. So now suppose I will select simply employee name and their salary. So suppose this is my pivot table, a basic pivot table, and now I will go here. I can design it. Okay, so let me take a color. Suppose this color I can take. Okay, anyway, so this is a pivot table. So now what we can do is, the first thing is, if we go to pivot table analyze, so here we can set the name of that pivot table. So here it is coming sum of salary, but it should not be the pivot table name. So what I will do, I will tell employee salary. Suppose this is my pivot table name. Press enter. So now it has been here the specific name is there of this pivot table. Okay, so now what we can do is, we can do a lot of things, like we can copy it to paste it anywhere else. We can clear it, we can delete it, we can move to one sheet to another sheet. That thing we can do. So what we will do, we will go to pivot table analyze, and here we will get actions. Okay, so here we can clear it. Suppose one drop down is there, so clear, that means we can clear the entire pivot table. And suppose we have filtered something, so in that case we can clear filter as well. So here no filtration is there, that's why it is disabled. But if there is some filtration, in that case we can clear the filter as well. So suppose I will clear all. So see, my pivot table has gone. Again I will do Control Z, so I need it, so I have taken back. Okay, so now another thing what you can do is, I will go here, then actions, and here we can do suppose we want to copy the entire pivot table. So now we can copy it. Okay, and now we can go to another page, another sheet. We can go there, we can paste, or the existing also we can paste. So suppose I will go to another sheet, and there I will paste it. Let me go here. I will paste it. Now the another pivot table, the same as it is, the entire details. So this is also a pivot table. Okay, so you can check the name as well. So employee name, the same pivot table I have copied and I have pasted it. Okay, so now what more we can do, we can do again, we can select it, we can go to pivot table analyze, actions, and there what we can do, now the entire pivot table we copied it and we had pasted it to another place. Okay, so now we can move it to another place. Suppose move pivot table, that option is available. So what we can do is, we can move it to a new worksheet, or we can move it to a existing worksheet. So for me, suppose I will move it to a new worksheet. Maybe I will go here. So see, the exact same pivot table has been moved to a different sheet number 18. Previously we created 17, we copied it and pasted it, but this time I have moved it to a different. Suppose I have some existing sheet, so there I want to take a backup. Suppose the original pivot table is there, but I want to take a backup. I want to move to my presentation or any other place or any other sheet, I just want to show it. So in that case you can move that pivot table, that also possible. Okay, so now we will go here, the exact this place. Okay, so what we can do is, again we can copy it. We can simply go here and we can copy it. We can select the entire pivot table, and then what we can do is, without formatting, we can paste it. Suppose I will copy it, and now suppose here I want to paste, so I will use the shortcut key Control Shift V. So without formatting it will be saved, or manually also we can do. That is one kind of paste special. Okay, so without formatting, without this table formatting, I have got the data, same kind of data. So that is also possible. That thing we can do. Okay, so what else we can do? The action, this is it. So we can clear it, as I told you. Then we can copy it, paste it to anywhere else. Then we can move it to any other place. And suppose I want to delete that, suppose I want to delete it, so I will just click inside, and then I will go here. I will select the entire pivot table, and now delete. I will come out and delete, so it will be deleted. Okay, this is normal range, I can delete it easily. But pivot table also, how we will delete? We will click inside, and then we will select the entire range, select the entire pivot table, and now I will come out, and then I will delete. So it has been deleted. Okay, so all the sheets I have deleted. So this is how we can manage that pivot table. We can copy it, we can paste it, we can move it, we can delete it, we can rename it. So all these things we can do. In going forward, it will be very helpful for us. So yeah, that's it for this video. So we have learned how we can manage our pivot table. Thanks.